Hello everyone, and this is Mick for Nexus. Welcome to 84 Phillip Avenue, Cumberland, Rhode Island. We are about to tour this 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, single family home in a very quiet, established neighborhood of Cumberland, Rhode Island. As you can see, we started right outside of this beautiful home, and there is a large and newly repaved driveway that can fit up to 3 vehicles easily. Nice front lawn as well. And we are about to enter from the main entrance. Welcome to 84 Phillip Avenue. As soon as we walk in, we are greeted by the living area. House is recently built. House is efficient and has plenty of upgrades. Started with the flooring. Hardwood floor is in great shape. And if we take a left, we're in the main living room. Pretty spacious. A large window overlooking the front lawn. Definitely enough outlets here for all your electronics. Decent amount of space for your furniture as well. As you can see, it's quite an open layout here on the first floor, and it includes this beautiful kitchen, well equipped with stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, and a nice cabinets. So large triple door refrigerator, do have a dual undermount sink, dishwasher, 5 burner, large electric stove, and a beautiful granite counter here with a turn and sort of an island, perfect for some bar stools. And there's another living area here as well. Again, large sort of a panoramic window here. Again, very spacious, bright, and open. Great concept to the first floor here. Keep in mind, we have 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom on a second floor. This one has a conveniently located half a bathroom here off the kitchen area. Again, granite counter, a large mirror, and plenty of lights. Small yard is easily accessible through this door here in the back. And take a look. I just want to show you. It is quite small, but it's still here. Plenty of room for your patio furniture. I think maybe a place for a workout. We're back in the unit, and we are to see the second floor. Second floor is carpeted, very cozy out there. A lot of different details. We're gonna start with the master bedroom, which is in the front of the building. Take a look. It's very spacious bedroom. Do have some slanted ceilings, but very insignificant. Like new carpets, have been professionally cleaned, and this bedroom offers 2 large storage storages. Again, any bed size would fit in comfortably in here. Well, that's what I meant about large storage. And another one would be here. So, large master bedroom. Other 2 bedrooms are smaller. This one particularly has more significant slant and a more of a irregular shape. 2 closets, 2 large windows, and a very cozy room, perhaps suitable for our children's room. 3rd bedroom is also a large size, larger or more traditional bedroom here. Queen size would fit comfortably in here. And it does have a very large storage, as you can see straight ahead. Once again, carpeted, fresh paint, nice ceilings, plenty of electrical outlets. This floor has a beautiful full bathroom with tile floor, again granite vanity, wide mirror, and a very large deep tub here. Everything's nice and neat. As a tenant of Nexus, you will be able to enjoy benefits of paying your rent online. You'll be able to request your maintenance and chat with our staff 24/7. So we are back on the first floor, living room, living areas, kitchen, and as we go back to the rear of the house, we have additional bonus. It's a finished lower level. As you can see here, there is a bedroom. You can definitely make it a bedroom here, heated. So there is a closet, and take another look here. So it's a lower level, finished part of the lower level, which is suitable for a family room, playroom, or even a bedroom. Washer and dryer, very modern, included. Look at that Samsung set, washer and dryer, and a deep freezer is also provided. Again, nice single family home, 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, additional living area, playroom in the basement, small yard. You have a driveway that able to fit up to 3 cars. House is available for immediate occupancy. Tenant is responsible for paying oil and electricity, as well as personal utilities such as cable or internet. Once again, Mick for Nexus here at 84 Phillip Avenue. We're in Cumberland, Rhode Island. It's a single family home, available immediately. Thank you.